Money can't buy happiness. We all know that, but it sure can make a big splash. Picture this. There's a knock on the door, and it's not a salesman or a stack of bills or some damaged package you've been on the lookout for, but instead, it's $25,000 in cold, hard cash. That's the scenario that will become a reality for one lucky person on December 1st, thanks to Ocean Downs Casino. Marissa Pollux is the marketing manager with Ocean Downs Casino, and she's here to talk about their Cash Splash Sweepstakes. Welcome.
Hi, thank you for having me.
So how long have you been doing this sweepstakes?
We've done it for about 5 years now, and this is going to be my 4th time doing it.
Wow. And so you have a fun job.
It is very fun getting to surprise people with that amount of money.
Right. So what's the reaction been like when you knock on that door and somebody
answers? It's huge. I mean, getting $25,000 delivered to your house, I mean, it's not often that happens. So we have people peeking out the windows, hoping that we're arriving, and when we do, you know, it's really exciting for them.
Wow. And so tell us, how do people go about entering?
So this promotion runs from the 1st through the 28th of November. As long as you're a Club Ocean member and have a card with us, you earn points while you play. Every 100 points gets you a scratch card ticket and a digigal entry into that finalist drawing.
Okay, and so it's easy for folks to do that. They can do that at any time.
Yes, they earn points while they're playing slots or tables. So as long as you have that card in, you're earning points and are eligible for it.
Okay, very exciting. So you mentioned something. This is a little bit different this year because you're going more digital?
Yeah, so in the past, they've had to hold on to their physical scratch cards and bring them in. This year, it's super easy because it's all digital. That way you don't worry about losing anything. So just make sure you come back on our finalist drawing day, which is the 29th at 9 p.m., and you'll be have a chance to win. Okay,
so you've obviously done this before. You go and you knock on the door.
Yes.
What is that feeling like, knowing that you're, I don't want to say, but probably change someone's life to some degree with $25,000?
It is. I mean, it's a really exciting feeling, and it's fun to sneak up and surprise them. So I love doing it, and it's exciting because it's different. It's not at the casino where we're giving the money away. We get to show up at their home.
Right.
So it's really nice.
And I would imagine that folks are just as shocked. I mean, even though they know that they have a chance, but for it actually happening.
Oh yeah, they're definitely very shocked. I mean, once we pick those 5 finalists, they don't know in which order that we're gonna visit their homes. So if they are number 1 and they're home that day, they get that money.
Oh wow, that's exciting.
Yes.
It's without a doubt. All right, so for folks who are unfamiliar, just explain to us how it works and how to sign up and when.
All right, so if you don't have a Club Ocean member card, it's really easy. You just need your ID. You can go to the Players Club to get one. Otherwise, you just put that card into the slot machine while you're playing and you earn points. Every 100 points, you can go to the Players Club, redeem a scratch card, which you can also win free play for. And then on the finalist drawing night, just make sure you're there and check in your entries, and that's how you win.
And so at that finalist night, that's when you'll pick the 5 finalists.
Yes.
Then it's a mystery, and then we wait for the reveal, I guess.
Exactly.
That is so exciting. You have such a fun job, Marissa.
Thank you. It is fun. I love it.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
And look forward to seeing who's going to win the big cash this year as well. We'll be right back.